So the next topic is tangent and normal to the surface. So before studying about surface, let us first discuss about curves. So what is curve? It could be defined in a two-dimensional plane like this, or it could be defined in three-dimensional space, right? Something like this. And it could also, this is 2D plane, this is 3D plane, and it could also be defined in ND plane. So that means n dimensional plane. So I cannot draw it here. Suppose it have n such axis. Okay, so in that case somewhere this curve would be like this. So this would be the plane in n dimensions. So now if I am talking about the tangent to this particular plane, so what I am saying, at this particular point, because you have to also specify the direction or the point at which you wanted to calculate the tangent. So at this point your derivative would be 0, because the slope here is not changing and it is constant. So when you draw this line here, so it would be this straight line parallel to your x-axis. So that means here this tangent line is parallel to x-axis, and we say it has slope 0. So we also identify the tangent line as depicting the slope of the given curve. So when the slope is increasing, suppose I am taking the derivative at this particular point, so the tangent line here would be in this particular direction, right, touching the plane at one single point, and it is in increasing direction, right? So because its slope is positive quantity. So this is the tangent line, and if I draw the tangent line here because the curve is going like this, so here the slope is decreasing or moving into this direction. So when you draw the tangent line here, it would be something like this. It would be obviously straight line, okay, and it will touch the curve at one single point. So here the slope is a decreasing quantity and the tangent line would be like this. So this is about the surface. So how in the initial case you calculate the tangent to a particular surface? So we have identified the tangent line with the corresponding derivative, because derivative that tell you what is the slope of the tangent line. So accordingly, if I wanted to calculate the tangent line at the point, say at the point a comma f of a, this is some point given to you, then its slope would be what? Its slope would be f dash of a, right? So the equation of tangent line, what would be this? It would simply be the equation of straight line passing through this point having this slope. So it would be equal to y minus y, the y coordinate, that is equal to the value of slope into x minus the x coordinate. So this is the point slope form of the given expression. So from here you could also say that whenever we have a difference in the y coordinates, we have a difference in x coordinate, and accordingly the slope is being defined. Or we can identify this, suppose the curve is given to be, so this is one case, this is another case. Now suppose we say the curve is given by y is equal to f of x, then the slope of tangent, what would be this? That would be dy by dx. So at the point x comma y, what is the equation of tangent line? So its equation would be y minus capital Y, that is equal to dy by dx calculated at the point x and x minus x. And if the given curve, that is an implicit curve, if this is an implicit curve, we have just seen for the implicit curve or function, we have just seen what is the value of this derivative. This derivative dy by dx, that is equal to minus the partial derivative with respect to x of the function f, because your function f of x y is given to be some implicit function, and divided by del f by del y. So therefore, if I use this value here in this particular equation, what do I get? Y minus capital Y, that is equal to, instead of this I'll write del f by del x divided by del f by del y multiplied by x minus capital X. So you could simplify this. So you could shift this term to this left hand side. So you'll have del f by del y into y minus capital Y, that is equal to minus del f by del x into x minus capital X, where this capital X and capital Y, that is the given point. So from here we can say that the equation of tangent line, that is del f upon del y, y minus y, plus del f upon del x, x minus x, is equal to 0. Or you could write this term first, so it would be del f upon del x into x minus x plus del f upon del y into y minus y is equal to 0. So from here you see what are these? Del f by del x and del f by del y, they are the direction ratios of tangent line, right? So this is one case. Now suppose the equation is given in 3 dimension. In 3 dimension, the same equation that would reduce to, and suppose in 3 dimension your curve is defined by g of x, y, z is equal to 0. Now this is an implicit curve having relationship between the coordinates x, y and z. In that case, we have the curve as equal to del g by del x calculated at the point x, y into x minus x plus del g by del y. We won't write this thing. So it would be del g by del x into x minus capital X plus del g by del y into y minus capital Y plus del g by del z into z minus capital Z is equal to 0. So this is the equation of tangent whenever you have 3-dimensional curve. So what is a 3-dimensional curve? It is basically a surface. So that means whenever you have some surface, suppose this is the sphere given to you and there is some curve lying on this particular sphere. So this curve would have a tangent line. Suppose at this particular point it has tangent. So basically you have some plane of this kind which touches this surface only at one point. So it is like some sheet placed on the top of this ball. So that is what we are saying here. And for the equations of normal, what is the case? For normal curve, because here the direction ratios of normal curve are perpendicular to that of tangent curve, therefore equation of normal line is given by x minus capital X divided by whatever is the direction ratio here, so it is del f by del x, that is equal to y minus capital Y divided by del f by del y, and that is equal to z minus capital Z divided by del f by del z, where what is your f? F is the given equation of surface. So f is the given equation of the surface. So this is the equation of normal line. The equation of tangent plane, what is this equal to? This is equal to del f upon del x into x minus x plus del f upon del y x minus y plus del f upon del z z minus z is equal to 0. So this is the equation of your tangent plane. Okay, so let us look at one question for better understanding. So the question is, we have to find the equations of the tangent plane and normal line to the surface x square by 2 minus y square by 3 is equal to z at the point 2, 3, minus 1. So here you see the equation of the surface is given to be this one in x, y and z coordinates, and the point is given to be this. At this point, to this particular surface, we have to calculate what is the tangent line, what is the equation of tangent plane and the normal line. So for that, firstly we denote our surface as represented by this function f. So that means it would be x square by 2 minus y square by 3 minus z, that is equal to 0. So because we know the equation of tangent plane, what is this? This is x minus, the point here is 2, 3, minus 1. So x minus 2 multiplied by del f upon del x plus y minus 3 multiplied by del f upon del y plus z minus of minus 1 multiplied by del f upon del z. So we firstly have to calculate what is this del f by del x, del f by del y and del f by del z. So firstly, what is del f by del x? This is equal to 2x divided by 2, so that is equal to x. And what is del f by del y? That is minus 2 upon 3 y. And what is del f by del z? That is equal to minus 1. So all these values at the point is given to be 2, 3, minus 1. So its value is equal to del f by del x is equal to 2, del f upon del y, that is equal to minus 2 divided by 3 into 3, so that is equal to minus 2, and del f by del z, that is equal to minus 1. So we can substitute the values here. So our equation of tangent plane, that is equal to 2 into x minus 2 plus minus 2 into y minus 3, and then minus 1 into z plus 1. So this is the equation of tangent plane. And because we have calculated the equation of tangent plane, we can now calculate what is the equation of normal line. So the equation for normal line is given by the expression x minus capital X, that is the value of the x coordinate of the given point, divided by del f by del x, is equal to y minus 3 divided by del f by del y, and this is equal to z plus 1 divided by del f by del z. So accordingly, because we have all these values, so this is equal to x minus 2 divided by 2, which is equal to y minus 3 divided by minus 2, and this is equal to z plus 1 divided by minus 1. So this is the equation of normal line.